To generate a report, let's first select the start time, end time, and reporting type. You'll then be able to choose additional parameters based on the reporting type selected. Let's click Generate Report and download the document. You can also set up a report schedule to automatically generate reports over a defined period of time. Let's go over the types of reports used most often. An efficiency report provides a summary of all your machines. This includes an average over the selected period and a chart to analyze. A design detail report provides information on all the pieces that have been ordered and produced over the period. You can choose whether to generate machines and operators individually or select them all. Next, let's generate an operator report. Key data on this report includes pieces per hour, stitches per piece, total thread breaks, and downtime. A machine report helps improve efficiency by providing a summary of each machine. Details include setup time, production time, thread breaks, pieces per hour, and downtime. Thread break reports provide more detail and can help pinpoint an issue that requires maintenance.